Good morning, students. Our today's topic is nervous system. The nervous system controls the function of all the other organ systems. It helps us to think, speak, and remember. It also helps us to learn. Our nervous system consists of the brain, the spinal cord, and nerves. Human brain. The human brain is the command center for the nervous system. It receives signals from the body's sensor organ. The brain makes up about 2% of human's body weight. Our brain is made up of three main parts: cerebellum, cerebrum, and medulla. Now we will discuss on this topic one by one. Cerebrum. This is the largest part of our brain and has many folds or wrinkles. The cerebrum receives messages from our sense organ and tell us what we are seeing, touching, tasting, and hearing. Cerebrum is the center of thinking, learning, memory, and emotion. When we read a book, we see many words. We learn these words by help of cerebrum. It also helps us in tasting food and hearing music. Cerebellum. This part of the brain lies below the cerebrum. The cerebellum controls the movement of muscles such as that of the arms and legs. It also helps in maintaining the balance of the body. The cerebellum helps the body to learn movements that require practice and fine tuning. It plays a role in learning to ride a bicycle or play musical instrument. Researchers believe that cerebellum has some role in thinking, including processing language and mood. Medulla. This is the part of the brain that connects to the spinal cord. The medulla controls processes such as breathing, digestion, and heartbeat. Spinal cord. The spinal cord is a long thick bundle of nerves that runs along the middle of our back to the brain. It's protected by the backbone or spine. The spinal cord carries messages from all parts of body to the brain. It also carries messages from the brain to the rest of the body. An important function of the spinal cord is to control the reflex action. And what is reflex action? A reflex action is controlled by the spinal cord. It takes place very fast and is done without any immediate instruction from the brain. Some examples of reflex actions are formation of saliva on seeing food, blinking of eyes when something comes very close to them, and pulling away of the hand when something hot or sharp is touched. So Now we have completed our chapter nervous system.